Well, good morning everyone, and welcome to another daily edition of me and Mr. Bluebean. So we decided the frost has just subsided and we're going to go for a daily dog walk to see the waterfalls because we've had a lot of rain and we just want to see how much it's affected the river. But I can tell you now, I'm definitely still full of cold because my chest is taking a right pounding up these hills. It's struggling like crazy. And I had a bobble hat on and I decided to take it off after about 10 minutes because my head's sweating. And I've put a really thick jumper on because I thought it was cold, which it was cold. But it isn't when you get walking. Marvellous. Remember this church from last time, guys? There was all sheep in and around these gravestones. But they must have gone inside because it's too cold. Like I say, we did have a frost last night. Do you like Blue's jacket? It's reversible, so it is the same one you saw yesterday, but obviously the opposite way around. Do you like it, Boo? Boo Boo. You like your jacket? Do you like your jacket? It suits you, doesn't it? Right, Bobby Dazzler? Oh my goodness. Wow, look at that, guys. Bleeding out. It won't like that when we come in September. I don't think we're going to go across it, do you? Flipping heck. Wow. Now, got 71 going to press that bad boy. What it's like underfoot. My God. Bloody dog is covered in shit. So am I. My boots are going to be ruined. Oh, so that bad boy. And we walked across there. Or if you went in there, on your boat, Boo, you get swept away. Yeah. No, you're not going in this time, are you? You're not getting wet this time. Look at the state of your coat. Wow, scrub. Look at you. What a scrub. The side of the bridge. That used to be a watermill. Let's go. Can you do the steps? No problem. Look at it. And we're struggling. We can't even get up here because it's steep and slippery and still got some ice on it from this morning. Look at him. Like a bloody kangaroo. No problem. Got to get up them yet. Steps. Go, go. Chop, chop. Look at him go. He can do it. Quicker than me. Well done. And the sunshine is out. At least it stopped raining. Because it's been raining every single day. Beautiful, isn't it? So I think we've got our job definitely on for washing Blue later. His undercarriage is absolutely lathered in mud. Stay tuned for that clip. Gonna give you a bath. I'm gonna wash you. Oh, nice and clean. Yeah, in a big bath. Wow, what are you doing? We're in a big bath. You're trying to escape. Oh, nice and clean. Look at you. Wow, Boo. You're gonna smell so beautiful, aren't you? You're gonna smell beautiful. Yeah. Don't be shaking. Rat bag. Look at you. All nice and clean. Gotta get you dry now, haven't we? So guys, we're going out for tea. It's the last night of our holidays. Different outfit. Put my hair up, something different. we'll show you what we're going to have to eat. This is that one. And that one. Dinner has arrived. Saving us. Sticky toffee pudding. With custard. So it's 10 o'clock. We've only just got round. And do you know what? We thought, why not? Let's go in the hot tub one more time. Because tomorrow, we'll be going home. Hi everyone. So, we've got the pretty lights on. It's freezing outside. And I mean it's freezing. And we've got the hot tub up to 40 degrees. And it's like, I've got chill blades on my feet. Oh my god. It's so warm. My feet are tingling because I've just been on the real cold decking. So I just want to say thank you to everyone who's been liking and subscribing to the channel these past 5 days, 4 nights. This is the last day of the holiday. We're packing up in the morning and we'll be heading off back home again. So please, if you like it, give it a thumbs up and we'll keep bringing you content along the way. Bye for now. Mr. Bluebean, you had a good holiday? Are you tired out? Do you want to say thank you for liking and subscribing as well? So we'll see you on the next one. So bye for now.